lots of places to go, a lot of people to see today.
Roger, yeah, they're nice tasty, sweet-eating crappies. We like them up here in Ontario, Canada.
I'm over here, greasing the truck and working with the radio on.
Roger, yeah, we get out and do the fly fishing. We get out and do some fly fishing for some trout up there in northern Ontario. But, hey, we also like to fish them great big pike.
Well, you know that motherfuckers ain't good if you didn't build it yourself, Mr. Professional CB Operators. I ain't going to touch that because you do make a valid point.
The coffee pot, my friend. You take care down there in Alabama yourself.
Good morning, DH Land, 445 Radio Man reading this cotton picking mail.
Good morning.
Hey, got the same deal going on, but you make a good point right there. I'm setting up. That's quiet. We'll see ya.
You be quiet. It's morning time.
Video gate, let's just got at least 30 dB on it.
Okay, listen, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna go get me about a breakfast here. I'm see what you got in there to eat. So, yeah, I'll be here. I'll probably drop in on that bill behind my garage here.
Good morning, video man. Chicken man and bucket beef. Good morning, radio man. Chicken man and bucket beef.
Good morning out there, DH Land, 445 Radio Man reading the mail.
Hey, 445. 445. 651 Upstate New York. Reading your mail.
Well, good morning up there, 445 reading your mail.
And the bucket beef.
How you doing this beautiful Sunday morning?
We're doing pretty good up there around upstate New York. 445 Radio Man drinking his first cup of coffee and just seeing what's going on out there. 10-4?
Right, same here. Just getting away. 651
I believe you said 151 upstate New York. It's getting rough and tough. 151, have a good Sunday morning. We'll catch you later.
For a minute, I'll just go ahead and say something else.
Well, what's your 20?
Yeah, I didn't say I'm going to hash your trash. Everybody was jerking everybody's chain, so. I just jerk a chain.
Hey, radio man, what's your 20?
For the guy.
Radio Man is in the northwest corner of Mississippi, over here by the muddy Mississippi River, about 1 hour south of Memphis, Tennessee. 10-4.
More. Good to hear you there, Mr. Radio Man. You got the good and plenty around Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm waving all 4 fingers and a thumb.
All right, up there around Pittsburgh, I didn't catch that handle out there. Shoot it to me again around Pittsburgh.
They call me the good and plenty when they ain't mad at me. The good and plenty. 308 in the Keystone State. Come on.
All right, 308 in the Keystone. I believe you said Gunslinger. Is that right, Gunslinger?
It's rough and it's tough. I still hear you in there, my man. Trying to get it on back down there around Mag 308 Pittsburgh. The good and plenty around Aliquippa, Pennsylvania. Standing by.
Canoe's up.
Alright, 308, 445 Radio Man, we hear you out there. 308, around the Keystone, sounding real good, 445. We'll see you later.
Alright, 445. Yeah, you're doing a good job, man. There's just a couple other guys trying to show up in my receipt. 445 around the Mag, 308 in the Stone. See ya. Bye-bye-bye.
Alright, 308 in Keystone. Hey, 445 said I got you on the video gate, man. You're real deep in the strawberry patch, picking all them strawberries. Hey, 308, 445 told you that.
Well,
Well, I appreciate them flowers there, 445, and all them good numbers. Make sure you get it on the gate. Get it on the gate, 308 from the Keystone State. Break, break, break.
I think all that rhymes, don't it? I think all that rhymes. Hey, 445 Radio Man, working on his bottom of his first cup of coffee. We got on down.
well, one nation more to that.
I think I heard 20cc Boston out there. Good morning, 20cc Boston, 445 Radio Man in the mag. Goddamn.
Returning your message will.